Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a high APY platform like Finodo, Titano, like that, guys. Okay, its name is Compound Finance. Okay, this is giving high APY 4 lakh percentage, guys. 4 lakh 24,000 percentage. Every 15 minutes you will be compounding and you will be getting the coins as well as BUSD rewards, guys. So this project is going to be cracking on, guys. Just now 493 followers and the pre-sale is open right now, guys. So if you want to participate in any of one, you can do this, guys. Okay, so don't forget to join in pre-sale. This project will go damn sure. This is going to be great thing, guys. Okay, so just see here, pre-sale is live right now. Yesterday at 14 UTC, guys. Okay, pre-sale started and this will end in 28th February, guys. Okay, so you can check out the tweets as well, and we can go to Telegram, guys. Okay, so Telegram also they are given all the details, Telegram group, Twitter, the things, everything given. And pre-sale contribution 0.015 BNB to 50 BNB, guys. 5 BUSD to 20,000 BUSD, guys. Okay, so supply this much liquidity, airdrop, marketing, how much percentage they are spending, these settings are they are given, guys. Okay, and pre-sale price is 0.001, Bangkok job listing price is 0.0025, guys. So it's 2.5x. Okay, it's 2.5x from the launch, from the pre-sale price, guys. Okay, so the reward airdrop things they are given, and pre-sale is open yesterday. This is all old post and pre-sale is open right now. You can check it out, guys. Compound Finance. And those who want to participate in with BNB, you have to send your BNB to this address with wallet only, not in exchange or anything like that. Those who want to participate with BNB, you have to send this address. Those who want to participate with BUSD, you have to send this address with your wallet, guys, not with your exchange. Don't forget. Okay, just and pre-sale price, listing price they are given. And after launch, 25% of the token supply banning events, 28th February, 18 UTC, guys. Okay, so 16 UTC they are launching, closing, and 28th UTC they are banning events, guys. So you can check it out, guys. This project is new and started just now, so this project is going to be awesome, guys, because for me also it's new one, and I'm sure this will be giving 2.5x minimum from the launching, from the pre-sale, guys. Okay, so if anybody is interested, you can directly join with this address, guys. With your Trust wallet or MetaMask or any other wallet, you can send your BNB or BUSD to this address. Okay, if you send the address, it will directly go to there, and after 28th pre-sale ends, you will be receiving the coins as soon, guys. Okay, so just join these things and get, guys. Okay, join the things and get coins, and just sell the coin and book the profit, guys. Okay, this is my suggestion. Even I am also joining. Okay, I am also joining, and this is not my personal advice, but you have to do your own research and you have to join this, guys. Okay, so don't miss any kind of this project, guys, because this kind of project will give easily 2x profit. Okay, if you do $100, you will be getting 200, I'm sure, on it. So just join this and get profit on this, guys. Okay, so don't forget to join this, guys. Okay, so this kind of things will be getting huge profit. Okay, so just do your own research and join these kind of things, guys. Okay, it will be giving 4 lakh percentage for high API, guys. Okay, so just go through the things and join pre-sale and hold it for tightly. Once the Bangkok shop launch, you can sell it, guys. Okay, guys, thank you, guys.